To the animal rescue station. I'm the animal keeper, Kiki. Let's use a drone to find out which animals need our help. Let's find out which animals also need our help. Drag the center position and locate a hippo in need of water is found. A dirty penguin is found. A tiger itchy all over is found. Choose a truck and pick up the... Hoi! Hoi! Follow the arrows and you will find the little animals. Drag the animal onto the truck. Take them back to the rescue center for treatments. Got skin disease and felt itchy all over. First, clean the hair of the diseased area. Wipe up the pus. Apply some ointment. Then give some hair regrowth spray. Great work! The tiger's skin disease is cured. The tiger likes to eat meat. Please help. It is very healthy now. You've helped an animal again. Let's take it home. The tiger lives in the forest. Goodbye, tiger. The hippo spends most of its time in water. Water is very much needed for it. hippo has been out of water for too long, and its skin has cracked. Let's apply some ointment. Apply a waterproof Band-Aid. Make an inflatable swimming pool for the hippo. The hippo is so happy in the water. Please help examine it. Healthy now. You've helped an animal again. Let's take it home. The hippo lives in the reeds by the river. Goodbye, hippo. There is an oil leakage on the sea. The penguin is cut. Spray with detergent. Then wipe it with a clean towel. Let's examine the interior of the penguin. Let's get rid of them with sterilization instrument. Well done! The penguin loves the cold environment. Look! The penguin is so happy! The penguin likes to eat shrimp and fish. Please help examine it. It is very healthy now. You've helped an animal again. Let's take it home. The penguins live in Antarctica. Goodbye, penguin.